Let's make a ladybug. Red. Red. Blue. Blue. Green. Green. Black. Black. Yellow. Yellow. 1, 2, blue. One, two, blue. One black, one yellow. One black, one yellow. One blue, one green. One blue, one green. One blue, one green. One blue, one green. Rainbow. Three blue, one brown. It's a ladybug.